Layla, come on, get up. It's 6:30 already.
No, not now, Mummy. Let me sleep for some more time.
Layla, you have to get ready before the school bus comes. Come, get up, get up.
Okay. Carry me to the bathroom.
No, I won't carry you. You have to go there by yourself. Brush your teeth and shower soon. Use the towel kept in the bathroom. Come on, quick.
Okay, Mummy. Keep my breakfast ready.
By the time you finish your bath, the breakfast will be ready. After some time.
Mummy, where's my uniform? I don't see it.
I've kept it on your bed. Can't you see it?
Mummy, help me wear my uniform.
Yes, I'm coming.
What do you have for breakfast?
Bread and eggs.
So boring. Same food every day. Can't you have something else for a change?
I will make a hamburger tomorrow. For now, have bread and eggs.
Okay, that sounds good. Mummy, where's my water bottle?
Here's your water bottle. Put on your shoes fast. The bus will come anytime.
The bus is coming. Bye, Mummy.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Mummy, I'm hungry. Please give me something to eat.
First, wash your hands. My daughter, I am serving the food.
Mommy, I'm very hungry.
Washing hands is a must. You play in school, touch so many things. That's why so many types of germs grow in your hands, and these germs enter your stomach.
Okay, Mommy. Again, the same boring food.
What's wrong with it?
I told you in the morning that I want pizza for lunch.
You have eaten a burger the day before yesterday. It's not good to eat junk food daily.
But junk food is also food.
But it's not nutritious.
Why?
Because it does not have all the nutrients. The pizza base is made of refined flour, which is not good for the stomach.
Why?
Refined flour does not contain fiber. Fiber is good for digestion. Pizza does not contain proteins that are necessary for our growth. Refined flour contains mainly carbohydrates, and only carbohydrates are harmful to our health.
What's the harm in carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates taste good, but excess carbohydrates cause obesity, and obesity gives rise to several diseases. Pizza does not contain enough green vegetables. Green vegetables are a source of vitamins and minerals.
Yes, I have read in my science book.
Then you must have read about the balanced diet.
Yes, Mummy.
Now look at your plate and tell me about its content.
Rice,
Eggs,
vegetables, salad, and curd.
Now tell me, what do we get from these?
Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals.
Do you get all these components in junk food?
No.
It means you agree with me.
Yes, Mummy.
It's okay to have pizza, burgers, pasta, sometimes for a change, but these foods should not be taken as daily meals. Layla, you need to clean up your room. It is so messy.
Why are you in my room?
Come on, get up. You shouldn't throw your clothes onto the floor like this.
I know. I will pick them up later.
No, you pick them up now.
All right. Is that good enough, Mom?
You have to put all your trash in the bin and take it outside. Also, tidy up your desk. What's with the books laying all around?
Got it, Mom.
Remember to sweep the floor as well. My feet are dirty just from walking in here.
Okay.
Be quick, honey.
I'm going out with my new friend.
What did you say?
I said I'm going out with my new friend.
New friend? Okay. Before that, listen to the story.
Okay, tell me, Mom. The story about what?
Once, two friends were walking through the forest. They knew that anything dangerous could happen to them at any time in the forest.
Then why did they go there?
Just like you, they went there. They promised each other that they would remain united at all costs. Suddenly, they knew a bear was approaching them.
Then what happened?
One of the friends climbed a nearby tree.
What about the other one?
The other one did not know how to climb.
Then what happened?
Being led by his common sense, he laid down on the ground and pretended to be a dead man. The bear came near the boy. It smelled his ear and slowly left the place.
Super! Then what happened?
Now the boy came down and asked, "What did the bear say?" The boy replied that the bear advised him not to believe a false friend. Being in a new situation with a new friend is indeed exciting. But beware of the people who are just posing as your friend. In the same way, you have to be supportive of your friends by standing by them in any situation.
Thank you, Mom, for this valuable moral. Daddy, I have a doubt.
Ask me about your doubt.
We are living in our house. Like that, whether the animals and birds also have houses to live in.
Different animals live in different kinds of places. Some animals make their own homes. People make homes for domestic animals. And their homes have separate names also.
Is that so?
Yes, my dear.
It's very interesting. Daddy, can you please tell me the name of the living places of the animals?
Sure, my dear. Listen carefully. A dog lives in a kennel. Sheep and goats' living places are called a pen. A cow's living place is called a shed. A horse lives in a stable. A donkey lives in a barn. And the pig's living place is called a sty. Hen, roosters, and chicks live in a coop. And a rabbit lives in a burrow.
Daddy, lion lives in which place?
Not only lion, hyena, wolf, tiger, and fox also live in a den.
Where does a snake live?
Snakes live in a hole.
A spider lives in which place?
A spider lives in a web. The bee's living place is called hive. And the ant lives in anthill. The birds build their own houses called nests to live in.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Now I know the living places of animals.
Good night, my daughter. Do you know winter is the coldest season of the year, Layla?
Yes, Mom. I can't stay outside for too long or else I'll get sick.
That's right. But what do you think animals do? They don't have houses like us, do they?
No, they don't. How do they deal with the cold, Mom?
Some animals go into hibernation, which saves them energy.
Does that mean they sleep the entire day, Mom?
Something like that, dear.
That's sad. There's so much to do in the winter. We can have snowball fights, build snowmen, go ice skating, snowboarding, or sledding for children like me. By the way, can I go sledding, Mom?
Sure, but remember to wear warm clothes, dear.